Most people find out too late. You're finding out today. Right now, your muscles are disappearing. Quietly, every single year after 60, your body loses muscle faster than it rebuilds it. Most seniors never find out until they are already too weak to do the things they love. But there is one simple, cheap, incredibly well-researched ingredient that can stop that process cold. No prescription, no gym, no expensive supplements. And stay till the end because this ingredient does something for your brain that will genuinely surprise you. Let's get into it. First, why are your muscles disappearing? After 60, your body develops what scientists call anabolic resistance. In plain English, your muscles lose their ability to rebuild efficiently. Every time your body breaks down muscle tissue, it struggles to replace it at the same rate it once did. The result is a slow, steady decline in strength, balance, and energy that most people simply call getting old. It has a name: sarcopenia. It affects millions of American seniors who were never once told it was coming or that anything could be done about it. Something absolutely can be done, and the answer has been sitting in research journals for decades. The ingredient: creatine. The one simple ingredient is creatine, and before you click away, this is not a bodybuilder supplement. It is not dangerous. You do not need to lift heavy weights for it to work. Creatine is a natural compound your body already makes on its own, produced in your liver, kidneys, and pancreas. It travels through your bloodstream, and 95% of it goes directly into your muscles, where it acts as a rapid recharge energy reserve. Think of it like a backup battery that fires up your muscles the moment they need power, standing up from a chair, climbing stairs, carrying groceries. The problem: after 60, your body's ability to produce creatine naturally begins to decline. Less creatine means less fuel. Less fuel means faster muscle loss, slower recovery, and that heavy, tired feeling that creeps into everything. Supplementing with creatine simply tops that tank back up. You are not taking something foreign, you are restoring something your body has always relied on, just giving it back what aging has gradually taken away. Hit subscribe right now. Every week we cover honest, practical health information made specifically for seniors, the kind your doctor simply does not have time for. Subscribe. It is free. How to take it: simple and safe. Creatine monohydrate is the most researched, most trusted form available. 3 to 5 grams per day, one small scoop. Mix it in your morning coffee, water, or juice. It dissolves easily, has almost no taste, and requires 0 changes to your routine. No loading phase, no cycling, no protein shake needed. Just a small daily amount, consistently, and your muscles will begin responding within weeks. One important note: creatine pulls water into your muscle cells, so drink an extra glass or 2 of water daily. If you are on blood pressure medication or water pills, have a quick word with your doctor first. For most seniors, it is completely safe. What you will actually feel: within 2 to 3 weeks, most seniors report the same things. Morning stiffness eases, energy feels steadier, and everyday movements like getting up from a chair or climbing stairs feel noticeably less difficult. Pair it with simple movement: 10 slow chair stand-ups in the morning, a short walk, a few wall push-ups, and the results come even faster. No gym required. Your own body weight and a sturdy chair are enough. The brain benefit nobody talks about. Here's the part that surprised me most: that 5% of creatine that does not go to your muscles, it goes to your brain, and your brain burns enormous energy every day just to think, remember, and stay focused. Recent research on adults over 60 found that creatine supplementation improved short-term memory and cognitive performance, especially in people not getting enough through diet. If you've been experiencing brain fog, slower recall, or walking into a room and forgetting why, this is worth paying close attention to. Stronger muscles and a sharper mind from one ingredient that costs a few dollars a month. Your next step: pick up creatine monohydrate at any pharmacy, grocery store, or online. Start with 3 grams a day. Mix it in your morning drink. Be consistent for 30 days. Your body at 63, 70, or 75 is not done building. It just needs the right signal. Now you have it. Subscribe right now and share this with someone who needs it today. Every week, honest health content made for seniors. See you in the next one.